All right. A lot of you asked me to how to use Trae CN or somehow download it and sign into it for us to use it because the Chinese version of it, Trae CN is actually Chinese version of the Trae, and China restricted for outside world to not use it. All right, but in this video, I'm going to show you for yourself how to sign into it, download it for any of your machines, and after that, get to use it. It's actually pretty easy, and you don't need a Chinese VPN to connect to the Chinese IP. You don't need that. It's actually pretty easy, easier than that. Okay. First of all, if you go to Trae.cn, which is the Chinese version of the Trae, if you want to go, you don't have the option to connect to this website. You can connect to Trae.ai, which is the international part. Here we go. Sorry, it's lagging because I am in Iran and we are restricted from the outside world. And kind of what I'm doing is illegal because I'm connecting to the outside world, and I don't care anymore. Let's just go back to the tutorial. If you go to the Trae.cn, all these texts are in Chinese, but the theme is the same because it's Trae.ai or Trae.cn. All of them is from the same company. Okay. Let's go to here again. So if you go to the Trae.cn, sorry, because of the lagging, most of them doesn't understand my commands are just done or not. So if you can see here, still give me a 403 error, which is I need physically, or my IP address needs to be a Chinese IP address so I can connect to this website. But what do we do? There is always a catch. First of all, we need to download this software because even the website is restricted. The first challenge is to download the software. After that, we need to sign into it, which is the second challenge. Okay, so I use Perplexity to find me a wget prompt. Okay, wget prompt. It's going to help you to download any software for any operating system. Might be Linux, might be Windows, might be Mac OS. Doesn't matter. But I needed to use wget because the server is in a different server. Because Trae CN and Trae.ai, all of them, they're using VS Code source code. Because of that, they need to upload their software in the Microsoft servers. Okay, so wget, it is an international base, so we can access it. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna go to terminal. So it doesn't matter if you're using Windows, you can use Perplexity or any other AI to create your own command that give you what command and what prompt for you want to use to download the Trae CN. It's going to give it to you, and I'm just click on it, and it's going to install. After I'm installing it, I can access it in my development folder. Here we go. It's been challenging to use these kind of servers, and but yeah, you can find any way. You can overcome any challenges if you want to. So don't worry about it. Okay. Right now it's running up. So the first challenge, it's been solved. You can download it like this. But the second challenge is to log in into it. Okay. So if you go to login, just click on it and hit personal user. The enterprise user, you need to give your own domain in their interface. So it's going to connect to your own website, might be personal website or any other, and you can use it. But right now, we're going to come into it. So if you can see, it's connect into the Tria.cn link, and after that, still gives us a 403 error. What should we do? As we see earlier, let's connect into it. In the Chinese version, we cannot connect into it, but our international version of it, it's Trae AI. Okay, it's open up perfectly without any issue. So we're gonna go in there. We're just gonna change the CN into AI, and that's it. And it's gonna log into it. We're gonna log into the login that's Trae.cn without any issues. And you see, it's gonna work just perfectly. And we just logged in. Why does this work? Because they are using the same source code as VS Code does. Okay, it's from Microsoft, and this is how it is to log in into the VS Code version of it. For any website that you use in VS Code, this is the way to log into it. And with that, and you see, there is no premium version. You don't need to pay for it because it doesn't give you one. The Chinese government or any other might be forcing them to not ask money from the Chinese people, but this is free for us. And as you can see, let's go click on here, click on auto mode, and as you can see, you have access to Daobao C 2.0. You have access to MiniMax 2.5, GLM 5.1, and I didn't know that it was publishing it. And you get access to Kimi K 2.5, Qwen 3.5, Qwen 3 Coder next, and a whole bunch of more. And let's just use the auto mode again and sit high, and get to see that if it's going to work. Create a project. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna open a folder for you guys just to see. I'm sorry, it's still in lagging because the internet connection speed is very low, guys. Test one and select. Okay, now I think it's going to work. Here we go. Yes, I'm trusting it. Now it's answering Chinese because training Chinese. I'm going to push back on it. Firm. Let's say always answer me in English. So let's just test something. Say create a random website in HTML, CSS, JS with cool and amazing amazing animation and style. And with that, you can just click on optimize your input. It changes your prompt for AI to better understand it. See, just change it into the very good detailed prompt. So let's click on send. Right now, I don't know which AI LLMs it's going to use. I'm just hitting an auto for just to see how it's going to perform. Okay, it is working now. So I'll help you create a visual engage interactive. So let's see how it is going to do. Okay, now it is working. So it gives us a roadmap actually. So create HTML. It's give us a 4 roadmap steps. Create HTML, implement CSS, add JavaScript, and test the website responsive and optimizing the performance. So even for a free software, it's doing pretty good job. So let's see what would be the result. And I apologize if my English is a little bit rusty because it's been a long time. I haven't been speaking in English, so I'm hanging into it. All right, so bear with me. Just by training and by creating more videos, I hopefully it's gonna make me better speaker from now on. All right, it is right now starting to creating the HTML file, and right after it's done, and after the CSS file, I'm gonna run it, see how it's going to work out. Okay, I think HTML file is done. Next step is start.css, I think. Okay, now the first step is done. So let's go to the next step. Yeah. Okay, now it is writing the style.css. See how does it go. It might take a lot of time because a lot of people using the Trae, especially in China, and there are not very small. There are not small people. Okay, and there are a large amount of people that are using it. So it might take a little time. It might put you in the queue, but it's gonna put you in the first line very fast. So don't worry about it. It takes some time, but bear with it. Yeah, it is free. Okay, now CSS is done. Let's just go to the file, see how does it go. Open container folder. I'm gonna open it and let's run it. Open with Firefox. Next is the modern web solution. So it is just loading. I guess there might be a JavaScript code needed. So let's see. Right now it is a cool animation into it at least. So let's wait and see what would be the JavaScript. And after it's done, we're gonna test it. Okay, now JavaScript is done. Let's just open our website again and refresh it. See what would be our website. Here we go. Looks like it's a beauty. Okay, build your digital future. Not bad. For open source and free, create something beautiful like this. I like it. Okay, guys, it's going to be a little bit lag. It's going to be a little bit jumpy. Again, I'm sorry because I'm in Iran. It took me a lot of resources and money to connect to outside world. So it is a little bit challenging, but bear with me, guys. I am find a way to connect, and hopefully soon I'm going to immigrate from this country. Yeah. So you see, it's going to perform a very good job. Not bad at all. Okay. All right, guys. Hopefully this video is going to help you to have access to the Trae CN. See all of the LLM that you have access to. All of them is pretty good. Use it and share this video, like this video, and subscribe it. Hopefully, I'm going to monetize this channel, and I'm using it to grow a business or anything and providing more value for you guys. So thanks again, and I see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.